Your thoughts are powerful magnets. Focus them on $400,000 and attract it into your life. Professor Sarah Collins. Imagine waking up each morning knowing that $400,000 is making its way into your life. The freedom, the opportunities, and the peace of mind that such wealth brings. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn this vision into reality using the power of visualization. This isn't some complicated process reserved for a select few. It's a simple, effective method that anyone can master. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools you need to unlock this incredible financial abundance and transform your life. Get ready to discover the secret to manifesting $400,000 with ease and confidence. Let's dive in and start creating the life you've always dreamed of. Visualization is more than just daydreaming. It's a technique where you create a clear, detailed image in your mind of what you desire. In the context of money manifestation, it means picturing yourself with $400,000. See the number in your bank account, feel the excitement of financial freedom, and imagine how your life changes with this wealth. So how does visualization work? It harnesses the power of your subconscious mind. Scientists and psychologists have found that our brains respond to imagined experiences almost as if they were real. When you vividly visualize financial success, your brain starts to believe it's already happening. This belief shifts your thoughts, emotions, and actions towards achieving your financial goals. Research in psychology shows that mental imagery can significantly enhance real-life performance and outcomes. Athletes often use visualization to boost their performance, seeing themselves succeeding before they even step onto the field. Similarly, when you visualize having $400,000, your brain gets conditioned to expect and attract this reality. This process creates a powerful belief in your financial success. Visualization aligns your subconscious mind with your financial goals, making you more confident and ready to seize opportunities. You start to notice chances to make money and take actions that bring you closer to your goal. Visualization isn't just about imagining success. It's about training your mind and body to achieve it. Visualization works because it taps into the law of attraction, a principle that states you attract what you focus on. When you visualize financial abundance, you send a clear message to the universe about your desires. This focus attracts similar energies and opportunities, aligning your external reality with your internal vision. The law of attraction is all about belief and positive thinking, which play a crucial role in bringing your goals to life. There are countless real-life examples of people who have used visualization to manifest wealth. Take Jim Carrey, for instance. Before he became famous, he wrote himself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered and visualized it regularly. Years later, he received a check for that exact amount for his role in Dumb and Dumber. Similarly, Oprah Winfrey has spoken about using visualization to overcome her challenges and achieve monumental success. These stories are not just inspiring, they highlight the power of a positive mindset. Visualization helps shift your mental state from one of lack to one of abundance. When you consistently visualize your goals, you start to believe in them. This belief influences your actions and decisions, making you more open to opportunities and less fearful of taking risks. Visualization helps create a positive mindset that attracts financial abundance. By focusing on what you want and truly believing it's possible, you align your thoughts and actions with your financial goals. This mental shift opens doors and paves the way for achieving the wealth you desire. When it comes to visualizing money, many people make common mistakes that can hinder their success. One frequent mistake is being too vague about their financial goals. Simply wanting more money isn't enough. You need to be specific. Instead of visualizing just any amount, picture $400,000. See the exact numbers, feel the joy of achieving this goal, and imagine how it changes your life. Another common mistake is focusing on the lack of money rather than abundance. If you dwell on what you don't have, you reinforce scarcity in your mind. Shift your focus to what you desire. Visualize the wealth you want, not the absence of it. This positive focus attracts financial abundance. People also often forget to incorporate emotion into their visualizations. Visualization is not just a mental exercise, it's an emotional one. Feel the excitement, gratitude, and relief that come with having $400,000. Emotions intensify your visualizations and make them more effective. A simple solution to enhance your visualization is to create a vision board. Collect images and words that represent your financial goals and look at them daily. This keeps your goal at the forefront of your mind and reinforces your visualization practice. Correcting these mistakes can significantly enhance the effectiveness of visualization. Be specific about your goals. Focus on abundance. Infuse your visualizations with emotion, and use tools like vision boards to keep you on track. These simple fixes can make a profound difference in your ability to attract the wealth you desire. To effectively visualize $400,000 coming into your life, follow this step-by-step guide. Start by finding a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. This could be a corner of your home, a peaceful park, or even a quiet room at work. The key is to choose a place where you feel comfortable and relaxed. Begin by relaxing your mind and body. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take deep, slow breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose. Hold for a few seconds, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Let go of any tension or stress with each breath. This relaxation sets the stage for effective visualization. Now focus on your specific financial goal. Visualize $400,000 in as much detail as possible. Picture the number clearly in your mind. Imagine seeing it in your bank account, on a check, or as cash in your hands. Be as specific as possible about how this money will look and feel. Next, immerse yourself in the emotions of achieving this goal. Feel the excitement and joy of having $400,000. Imagine the relief of financial security and the thrill of new opportunities. Picture yourself using this money to achieve your dreams, whether it's buying a new home, traveling the world, or investing in your future. The stronger your emotions, the more powerful your visualization will be. By following these steps daily, you align your subconscious mind with your financial goals. This consistent practice can lead to noticeable changes in your mindset and actions, bringing you closer to manifesting $400,000 in your life. Enhancing your visualization practice with positive affirmations can significantly boost its effectiveness. Affirmations are powerful statements that you repeat to yourself, reinforcing your belief in your goals. They help to reprogram your subconscious mind, replacing doubts and negative thoughts with confidence and positivity. When you combine affirmations with visualization, you create a powerful synergy that accelerates your ability to attract $400,000. The key is to use affirmations that resonate deeply with you and reflect your financial goals. Here are some effective affirmations you can use. I am attracting $400,000 into my life effortlessly. I am worthy of financial abundance and prosperity. Money flows to me easily and abundantly. I see $400,000 in my bank account and feel immense joy and gratitude. Every day I am getting closer to my financial goals. I am a magnet for wealth and success. Repeat these affirmations daily, preferably in the morning and before bed. Say them with conviction and truly believe in their truth. You can also write them down and place them where you can see them frequently, such as on your mirror or desk. The repetition of these affirmations strengthens your belief in your financial success. They help to align your thoughts and actions with your goal of attracting $400,000. By consistently affirming your worthiness and capability, To achieve financial abundance, you reinforce a positive mindset that attracts wealth into your life. Integrating visualization into your daily routine is essential for turning it into a powerful tool for manifesting money. The key is to make visualization a consistent habit, something you do every day without fail. Here are some practical ways to incorporate visualization into your life. Start your day with visualization. As soon as you wake up, spend a few minutes visualizing $400,000 coming into your life. This sets a positive tone for the day and keeps your goals at the forefront of your mind. Use moments of quiet throughout your day, whether you're taking a break, commuting, or having a quiet lunch. Use these moments to visualize your financial goals. Close your eyes, take deep breaths, and picture $400,000 in vivid detail. Incorporate visualization into your bedtime routine. Before you go to sleep, spend a few minutes visualizing your financial success. This helps to reinforce your goals and allows your subconscious mind to work on them while you sleep. Combine visualization with other daily activities. For example, while exercising, you can visualize your financial goals with each movement. Or, during your morning shower, imagine the water washing away doubts and filling you with confidence and abundance. Keep visual reminders around you. Create a vision board with images and words that represent your $400,000 goal. Place it where you can see it daily, such as your office, bedroom, or even on your phone's lock screen. Consistency is crucial. The more regularly you practice visualization, the stronger the impact on your subconscious mind. Make it a non-negotiable part of your routine, just like brushing your teeth or eating meals. Daily practice makes visualization a powerful tool for manifesting money. By integrating it into your routine and practicing consistently, you keep your financial goals clear and present in your mind, paving the way for their realization. Limiting beliefs can be one of the biggest obstacles to financial success. These are the deep-seated thoughts and assumptions that tell you what you can't do, what you don't deserve, or what isn't possible. They create mental barriers that keep you from achieving your financial goals. To attract $400,000 into your life, it's crucial to identify and overcome these limiting beliefs. Start by recognizing common limiting beliefs. These might include thoughts like, "I'm not good with money," "I'll never be wealthy," or "rich people are greedy." These beliefs often stem from past experiences, societal influences, or negative self-talk. They are powerful because they shape your actions and expectations, often without you even realizing it. To overcome these beliefs, begin with self-awareness. Pay attention to your thoughts and notice when you're thinking negatively about money or your ability to attract it. Write down these thoughts to make them more tangible and easier to address. Challenge your limiting beliefs by questioning their validity. Ask yourself, is this really true? And where did this belief come from? Often, you'll find that these beliefs are based on unfounded fears or outdated experiences. Replace them with positive, empowering thoughts. For example, change "I'm not good with money" to "I am learning to manage my money effectively." Use affirmations to reinforce your new positive beliefs. Statements like, "I am capable of achieving financial success," and "I deserve to be wealthy," help to reprogram your subconscious mind. Repeat these affirmations daily to strengthen your new mindset. Surround yourself with positive influences. Spend time with people who have a healthy relationship with money and who encourage your financial goals. Read books, watch videos, and listen to podcasts that inspire and educate you about financial success. Removing these mental barriers opens the path to financial abundance. By identifying and overcoming limiting beliefs, you free yourself to fully accept the possibility of attracting $400,000 into your life. This mental shift is a powerful step towards achieving your financial goals. We've explored the changing power of visualization in manifesting $400,000 into your life. We started by understanding what visualization is and how it aligns your subconscious with your financial goals. We discussed the law of attraction and its role in attracting wealth, along with inspiring real-life success stories. We identified common mistakes and offered simple solutions to enhance your visualization practice. We provided a detailed step-by-step guide, emphasized the importance of positive affirmations, and showed you how to integrate visualization into your daily routine. We addressed the significance of overcoming limiting beliefs to clear the path to financial abundance. Now it's time to take action. Begin your visualization practice today. Dedicate a few minutes each day to visualize your financial goals with clarity and emotion. Remember, with consistent practice and unwavering belief, unlocking $400,000 through visualization is entirely achievable. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips on manifesting your dreams. Thank you for watching, and start visualizing your abundant future today.